Hello guys, you're welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. As a matter of fact, if today is your first day, you're coming to this channel, I advise you to subscribe and like, copy the link and share too, click on the notification button for you to be notified whenever we upload a new video. You get that? So if you're a returning subscriber, also don't forget to make sure you copy the link and share for people. We love you. If not for you, there would have been us. We appreciate you all. And again, if you want to buy your skincare product or your organic product, or you're looking for cosmetic to buy, real ones, you know what I mean? You just copy the number on your screen, dial it, boom. It gonna take you to my WhatsApp number. We're gonna talk better still. That is it. It is what it is, because that's what we know best in doing. I always tell you, I want to make all ladies beautiful. I always want to make the ladies beautiful, And the only men also, they say, is into skincare, so they try to beef me. Okay, let me see that. Okay, I got you. I see where you guys coming from. Okay, I want to introduce to you. This lotion is one of a kind. It have the tendency to fight against hyperpigmentation, and he fight against any aging, and or he fight against stretch mark, and it's no other lotion than Nationwide. So Nationwide is the real solution to your stretch mark. Like some people, they use solution. Some people, they use some kind of lotion that gives them stretch mark. You don't need to bother about those one anymore. Just go look for this. But if you doubt in it that you can get this anywhere, just call me. Just call me. The number on your screen, call me. And like as I told you, I want to rewind again. I want to recap. It have the tendency to fight against aging. You know what I mean? Stretch mark and all that hyperpigmentation. So exactly, this is what you need. This is what you need. It's the lightening and the whitening also. Moisturize the skin, Trust me. Look at it. I told you there's always a code that you can verify this real lotion. And if you want me to tell you about those codes, chat me on WhatsApp. I'm going to tell you how to know the real lotion you're buying. Very easy. So that is that. And I want to show you another one too. Extra Mazzy Plus. The same thing. And a lot of people, they say, come on, is it really working, still working? Which day did this cream came out that you asking, is it working? Because a lot of people say, I used it, but it's not working. It's working. Go for it. They fight against any aging or hyperpigmentation, like all those inflammatories that you always get in your body. Like, oh, you think you want to get melisma and some fake creams? They're gonna give you melisma, give you big eczema, crocro and all that, but not with all these creams. I tell you. Don't forget, we ship worldwide. And once again, I want to tell you about this sunblock. You hear me? This is sunblock I used for that video the other time I told you about. This is it. This is one of the best sunblock you need to go for. This is the best one. So if you know you can get all this at all, wherever you are, you can always put a call through or put a message through via WhatsApp, the number on your screen, and we ship worldwide. Trust me. So once again, you're watching AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. Peace out.